This is a large cooking spoon by Hot Target, and it just works perfectly for breakfast, lunch, and dinner too. It has 3 slots here, and it's made of food-grade silicone as well as stainless steel too. There's also silicone on the handle, so it's slip-resistant as well. It also has a hole here, so you can hang it up on an S-hook or on a nail when you're done. Or you can just fit it easily inside one of your drawers or cabinets too. And it's really easy to work with, very lightweight yet solid too. This is heat resistant up to 446 degrees. And it's also dishwasher safe as well. I was sent this from Hot Target to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.